Hi, I'm Biwot, founder, Sedi Digital Limited, and welcome to the Digital Marketing for Business Owners course. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in business for years, you're in the right place. Because in today's world, if you're not marketing online, you're leaving money on the table. This course is designed especially for business owners like you, and for anyone who's beginning to explore what digital marketing can do for their business. Now, if you're already deep into SEO, paid ads, advanced analytics, feel free to check out more in-depth courses on those specific topics. But if you are here to build a strong foundation, you're exactly where you need to be. Whether you run a cozy boutique, a plumbing business, or an online store, digital marketing matters. Because here's the truth, almost every business today needs a digital presence to grow. Your customers, they're online, searching, comparing, reviewing, talking, and if you're not showing up there, your competitors definitely are. So, what is digital marketing? Let's break it down. Digital marketing is any marketing that uses the internet or digital devices to connect with people. Unlike traditional marketing, which relies on newspapers, billboards, and TV, digital marketing lives online. Think Google searches, Instagram ads, email campaigns, YouTube videos. That website someone browses at 11 p.m. before finally buying? Yeah, that's all digital marketing. Why is this important for your business? Because most buying journeys start online, and digital marketing allows you to build your brand, reach the right audience, track your results, and scale what works. Even better, you don't need a massive budget to start. A smart strategy and consistency go a long way. What will you learn in this course? We are going to walk you through the core areas of digital marketing, including email marketing. This is how to connect and stay in touch with your customers. SEO, how to show up on Google without paying for ads. Search engine marketing, how to run paid search campaigns that actually convert. Retargeting, how to bring back people who visited your site but didn't take an action. Display advertising, visual ads across websites and apps. Social media marketing, growing your brand with Facebook, Instagram, and more. We'll also dive into competitive research because sometimes the best marketing inspiration is just one competitor away. And here's the best part. You can see real results with digital marketing faster than with most traditional methods. And you can track those results in real time. That means smarter decisions, better performance, and more control over your marketing budget. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation to start growing your business online with confidence. So let's get started. Head to the next lesson, and when you're ready to visit Sedi Digital website to complete your module assessment and earn your official certification. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to me personally on Twitter, Sedi Limited. I'm here to help you grow. See you in the next lesson.